The cost of dental implants, steady between Europe and Turkey. Dental implants are now an option of choice for people who want to repair lost teeth and improve their oral health and self-confidence. The cost for dental implants may vary according to where you live around the globe. In this clip, we'll compare the price of implants for teeth in Europe as well as Turkey in order to decide which will be the most affordable option to patients. Cost of dental implants in Europe. In Europe, it is common for the price of dental implants is costly, with prices that range between $1,500 to $6,000 per implant. It includes the implant itself, the abutment and crown. The countries that are affected include Germany, the UK, Germany, and Switzerland. Implants for dental purposes tend to be expensive because of the high labor cost and the strict rules. Apart from the price for the implant itself, patients may also have to fund additional procedures, including bone grafting and sinus lifts. These procedures will increase the overall expense of treatment. It's not uncommon for people in Europe to spend several $1,000s for complete implant-supported mouth reconstruction using dental implants. Cost of dental implants in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to the low cost of treatment and top-quality care. In Turkey, there is a cost for implants for dental purposes can range from $500 to $2,000 per implant. This makes an affordable choice for people seeking dental implant surgery. The cost-effectiveness of the dental implant in Turkey could be due to lower costs for labor as well as an overall lower price of living when compared with European countries. This enables Turkish dental centers to offer low prices while not sacrificing the quality of their services. Numerous dental clinics located across Turkey also provide packages that include the treatment, accommodations, as well as transportation. This makes it simple and affordable for foreign patients to visit Turkey for treatment with dental implants. Comparison. In comparing the price of dental implants between Europe as well as Turkey and Europe, it's clear that Turkey provides a lower cost choice for those who wish for dental implant surgery. Even though the expense of implants for teeth in Europe is prohibitive for some, however, the lower prices found for dental implants in Turkey makes it an feasible and affordable choice. Apart from the price, one should take into account the level of care before deciding on a place to get dental implants. Turkey is well known for its excellent standards of dentistry and skilled dentists. Patients are treated to top-quality care at only a small amount in comparison to European countries. Conclusion. In the end, the price of dental implants within Europe and Turkey will vary greatly in both countries, with Turkey being a cheaper choice for patients who wish for dental implant surgery. Offering lower costs, superior treatment, and affordable all-inclusive plans, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism. People considering getting dental implants must take into consideration the expense and level of care before choosing an area to receive their implants. Although European countries might have the latest technology and have higher costs for labor, Turkey provides an attractive choice for those seeking to reduce costs but not any compromise in the standard of their dental treatment.